In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the Christmas song Joy to the World, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. Now before we can play Joy to the World, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you get my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. Those chords are G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is G major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of your 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, go. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions of the song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is for the verses, and the second section is for the choruses. So the first section, which again is just for the verses, we're going to be playing G major for 16 beats, C major for 4 beats, D major for 4 beats, and back to G major for 24 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, C major, go. 1, 2, D major, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And now let's apply that chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now the second section, which again is just for the choruses, we're going to be playing G major for 8 beats, D major for 8 beats, E minor for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, D major for 4 beats, and back to G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, G major, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, E minor, go. 1, 2, C major, go. 1, 2, D major, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's combine that chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, G major, down strum, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Joy to the World. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Joy to the World. And that's how we play the Christmas song, Joy to the World. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. It brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.